I'm going to share a static site generation feature of Angular 17. Basically, SSG is a great feature that provided by Angular team in version Angular 17. This feature basically used to improve the application's performance and also great for the SEO related stuff for indexing your page on the Google search, also helpful to index in the top of the Google search ranking. Basically, the static site generations introduced in recent version Angular 17. Pre-rendering commonly refer a static site generations represent the method by which pages are re-rendered on a static HTML file during the build process. Pre-rendering maintains the same performance benefit of server-side rendering. When data is necessary for the server-side rendering, remain consistent across all users. The strategy of pre-rendering emerged as a valuable interactive. Rather than dynamically render pages of each user request, pre-rendering takes a proactive approach by rendering them in advance. How to pre-render a page? To pre-render a static page, add a server-side rendering capability to your application which using the following CLI command. Use the ng-add @angular/ssr command to pre-render the page. SSR basically call the server-side rendering. To create an application with pre-rendering capability from the beginning, use the ng-new ssr command. Basically, a new ng-new ssr command used for the first time you creating the new project, and the ng-add angular/ssr basically used when you have existing project and want to use the SSR. That time use this command. Once added SSR, you can regenerate a static page by running the build command ng-build. Build options for pre-render. The application builder pre-render option can be either boolean or an object for more fine-tuned configuration. When the option is false, no pre-rendering is done. When it's true, all options use the default value. When it is an object, each option can be individually configured. See, here is the options: discover routes and route file. Discover route, basically the default will be the true. Here is the configurations. The options pre-render or discover route is the false set. If you want to set true, then it will be true, otherwise false. But it is the default true. Pre-rendering parameterized routes. You can pre-render parameterized route using the route file option. An example and parameterized route product/id, where id is dynamically provided. To specify these routes, they should be listed in a text file, which each route as in the separate line. For an app with a large number of parameterized routes, consider generating this file using script before running ng-build. See here the route text file. These are the parameterized URLs, product/IDs. Which routes specify in the route text file? Use the route file option to configure the builder to pre-render the product route. See here the build. In the build we have the builders and options. In the options we have the pre-render, and In the pre-render we have the root file, root.txt. To configure